Hi everyone, welcome back to Win English, where you can speak English with confidence and win with English. Okay, so in today's video, we're going to talk about how to talk about your hobbies in English. Yeah, it's fun, simple, and you can use it to make friends or to introduce yourself. So let's get started. The first, was it a hobby? What is a hobby? Yeah, a hobby is something that you enjoy doing in your free time, like maybe dancing, singing, reading, playing games, cooking, whatever you like to spend, whatever you like to do to spend your free time. That's your hobby. So, for example, if someone asks you, what is your hobby? You can answer like, I like cooking, or I like reading, or I like playing video games, or I love painting. So that's how you say when someone asks about what is your hobby. Okay, and for the useful phrases that you can use to talk about your hobbies, you can use like I like watching movies, and then I love traveling, and I enjoy listening to music, and I'm interested in photography. And you can also use like in my free time I blah blah blah. So in my free time I play badminton, or in my free time I play video games with my friends. Okay, so that's the phrases that you can use when you want to talk about your hobbies. Okay, now talking about frequency, like how often do you do your hobby? How often do you do that? For example, I read books every day. So your hobby is reading books, and then you do it every day. Okay, you can say also, I go hiking on weekends. Your hobby is hiking, and you do that every weekend. And you can also say like, I sometimes play guitar after work. So like maybe twice or 3 times in a week after work. Okay, so for the adverb of frequency, you can use words like always, and then usually, sometimes, or rarely, and then never. It depends on how often do you do that thing, do you do that hobby. Okay, now let's try to pull it all together with the sample conversation here. What do you like to do in your free time? I enjoy playing the piano. How about you? Oh, I love cooking, and I love trying new recipes. Okay, so that's how you talk about your hobbies with your friends. It's not that hard. You simply need to use maybe like I like or I love, and then mention about how often do you do them. I usually spend my free time by watching Korean dramas. I can watch Korean dramas like maybe 3 times in a week. So I sometimes use my free time after work or after campus to watch Korean drama. Okay, so you can try that with your friend. Yeah, practice it with your friend. Okay, now you can talk about your hobbies confidently in English. Don't forget to like and then subscribe, and also share this video to your friends so that it can help more people in learning English. Okay, keep practicing everyone. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!